Hello everyone, here's a quick little video on how to bypass the saw stop trigger. I gotta cut this cabinet down right here. I need to make sure that if the blade comes in contact with any nails that it's not gonna trigger. Here's how you bypass the safety on the saw stop. This little key right here, insert the key, turn it to on position, and you'll see it start blinking. Ready? Now we're gonna turn it on. We're in bypass mode. Now I can cut the cabinet down. I didn't hit a nail, but if I did, it wouldn't have triggered the stop.